In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact someone on Craigslist. If you've found an item you're interested in on Craigslist and would like to get in touch with the seller, the process is actually very simple. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to contact someone through a Craigslist listing so you can ask questions, discuss details, or express interest in the item being advertised. To get started, open your web browser and visit the official Craigslist website. Once you're there, make sure you're signed in to your account. If you're not already logged in, you can select the Account option in the upper right corner of the page. From there, you can either create an account if you don't already have one, or sign in to an existing account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Craigslist homepage. This is where you'll find the various categories and listings available on the platform. You can browse through items for sale, services, housing, and many other categories depending on what you're looking for. To contact someone, the first thing you'll need to do is locate an advertisement that interests you. Browse through the available categories and open a listing that you'd like to learn more about. Once the advertisement opens, you'll be able to view the details, photos, and description provided by the seller. When you're ready to reach out, look near the top area of the advertisement. You'll see a reply button displayed on the page. Click on this button to begin the contact process. After selecting Reply, Craigslist may ask you to complete a verification challenge to confirm that you're a real user. Follow the instructions shown on the screen and complete the verification process. Once the verification is successful, a contact window will appear. This window will display the available contact methods provided by the seller. In many cases, you'll see an email address that you can use to send a message. Depending on the seller's preferences, additional contact information may also be available. However, not every seller chooses to share the same contact options, so the information shown can vary from one listing to another. At this point, simply use the contact details provided in the reply window to reach out to the seller regarding the listing. Be sure to communicate clearly and include any relevant questions you may have about the item. And that's all there is to it. Contacting someone on Craigslist is quick and straightforward once you know where to find the reply option and access the seller's contact information. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,